So today we find ourselves in beautiful San Francisco and we have a super cool mission on why we are here. You want to tell them, Courtney?
We're on the hunt for some Nicaraguan coffee, so wish us some luck.
Yeah, we're gonna be exploring the area to see if we can find coffee from Nicaragua. So we're building a coffee farm in Nicaragua and it's a lot of hard work. And every time we travel, we want to explore the cities to see if they're representing Nicaragua and bringing that good old coffee from there. So today, we're gonna look for it, and also we're gonna find some places to eat. Courtney, you have a secret gem for some good pizza here in the city?
Can't wait. Yes, you all will be excited once you see it.
So join us along. Let's see if we can accomplish this mission. All right, we made it to the first coffee shop of the video here called Home Coffee Roasters. And let's go see if they have Nicaraguan coffee. This is our first shop of the day and we're excited to get started. Coming inside, it was nice and really big. The staff was super friendly. So we decided to go with the classic pour over to try the coffee to see how good it is. And then we continued our hunt for Nicaragua. All right, let's see what coffee they got. Decaf from Colombia here. Peru. We got Peru. I have a blend, but no Nicaragua coffee.
Really just got my pour over from Peru. I'm really excited to try it. I can even smell from this profile right here that jasmine tea is definitely a flavor profile of this, so I'm excited to give it a try. Wow, it's very delicious, delicate, just like tea would be. I think they hit the notes on the dot. Like, I would have never imagined this coffee shop to really know what they were talking about. So delicious.
Well, they didn't have Nicaraguan coffee, which really sucks. So my question to Courtney is it still worth it to come check this spot out?
Yes, the staff is nice. It's a cozy place, clean bathrooms, but also, above all, amazing coffee. You should come check it out. It's a cute little Chinatown down here. And
there you have it, right in Chinatown, as you can see. So now let's go on the hunt. We still need to find Nicaraguan coffee. I'm gonna explain some of the rules here for our coffee hunt. Rule number one is we gotta be able to walk to all the places. So that means that we're gonna hit a 5-mile radius. Rule number two, we need to enjoy either a coffee or an espresso while we're there. So we need to make sure we're highly caffeinated by the end of this video. And rule number three, if we don't find Nicaraguan coffee, we will make a part 3 until we find Nicaraguan coffee out here in the city. So
there's one more rule.
What's the rule?
Rule number 4, you can't have gone to the coffee shop before. You can't know what kind of coffee they
That's true. Only new coffee shops here. So that's why we are avoiding big chains like Starbucks and Pete's Coffee. Now, in order to get to the next shop, we have to walk through Chinatown here in San Francisco. And I must say, it's actually a really good experience. This is our first time ever walking through this area of San Francisco. And we're amazed how cool it is actually. You have all these boutique shops on the side where you can buy some souvenirs. You have these bakeries, these restaurants, even shopping centers. And it's a good time. A lot of families out here and you get to embrace a little bit of the Chinese culture, which is actually pretty awesome. So definitely worth checking out here in San Francisco. Well, we had to stop by and get some Chinese food because Elliot was getting hungry, but we're not mad at him because we stopped at this spot that sells very good Chinese food and we got some dumplings here.
We got the Shanghai dumplings right here. Excited to see what that really is. I think it's beef. And then we got the spicy pork dumplings. And then we got pot stickers. Nice.
This looks awesome. Coffee and dumplings in the city. Who would have thought that combination there? Elliot's enjoying his nice little chow mein over there. He's pigging out. He doesn't even want to look at us anymore. He's like, I have 0 parents. I just live in the streets of San Francisco and eat chow mein every day.
I'm going to try the Shanghai dumpling. I'm so excited. I'm going to dip it in a little sauce because who doesn't love sauce?
Now you got to try some coffee with that to see if coffee and dumplings ever go together.
I mean, pot stickers and coffee go together. That was good. Tastes like chocolate. It's so delicious.
What? Nah. Let's give this a shot.
It tastes like chocolate, I promise.
Okay, she's saying a bite of this one here.
That was a big bite.
Oh my god, dude, that was a lot. And then some coffee.
It tastes
wow,
like chocolate.
That is weird that it goes together. Jeez, that is pretty unusual. Try it yourself and come back to this video and let me know in the comment section, but it's actually really good.
Yeah.
All right, so we didn't expect to eat Chinese food that quickly, but Elliot got hungry. So now that we have a snack, we're almost at place number 2, which is the coffee movement here.
We're at the coffee movement. I'm excited because this place always has a really long line. So
You're excited to wait in line?
No, I'm excited to see what they have because it must be good.
Okay, that's true.
Yeah.
Long line equal good stuff. So I'm not gonna lie, standing in line, I was hyped to try this coffee shop. And coming into the shop, I noticed that they had this nice flight of coffee where you'll try different varieties and different processing methods. Overall, the shop is really small, but super comfortable and cozy. Definitely worth checking out, but I'm excited to try these coffees. So you're ready to try this? We got some amazing coffees here. We have 3 different coffees from Honduras, 2 from Colombia, and one's a dark roast, and then light and medium. So go ahead and tell me which one of these is the dark roast here.
You can already tell right now.
All right, go for the dark roast.
I'm gonna make a bet and say it's this one.
All right, try it.
Cheers.
You can run it on.
Yeah. Okay, definitely the dark roast.
The dark roast? We haven't even tried the other ones though.
I could just tell.
All
Okay, I'm gonna go for the second one.
Yeah.
That's delicious. Oh my gosh.
That's crazy, huh? Crazy flavors.
Yeah, that's some good cherry flavor.
Yeah, try the other one.
So I can just go to like this thing.
Whoa, I'm mind blown. That tastes like a kind of blueberry.
I know it tasted like a tea.
Yeah.
Now you gotta try the last one right here, which is a chocolate cacao cappuccino there.
This looks like dessert. I never get these kinds of drinks, but I'm gonna go for it.
It's just a front end. You add this like you do add-ons for Scania. So if I click on any of these,
Okay.
and then like any episode,
It's hard for me,
add-on goes and looks
who
like
loves pour-over coffees, to understand and appreciate these, but it tastes yummy.
this serves
The only thing is I think it's a little too much milk for me. So,
Okay, what was your favorite of all of them?
Surprisingly, this one to the far right.
That's a Colombian. Nice, crazy
Wow,
flavor.
I've never tried a coffee with that kind of flavor profile, so I think that's why I liked it the most. But typically, I would go for the one in the middle.
Yeah.
Was I right? Was this the dark roast?
Yeah, that was the dark roast. I think that shop right there, the coffee movement, our favorite so far, huh? What do you think?
Yeah, I still want another cup of that Colombian coffee, like super bad.
My, those flavors were crazy. I wish you guys could try it, but unfortunately they didn't have coffee from Nicaragua. So we're gonna have to go to the next coffee shop. And what is the next one called?
It is called, sorry, let me get the name of it. I think it's called Franklin Street Coffee.
Franklin Street Coffee, Nicaragua. Please be in there. All right, we officially made it and waiting in line again, huh?
Another line, because that's what I love, right?
Do you think they're gonna have it? Do you think they'll have Nicaraguan coffee?
I mean, I would love to hope that one shop that I think may have it has it, but I don't know.
We'll find out right
Such
now.
a rare.
I must say, all the coffee shops in the city were packed today. Everybody was looking to get caffeinated. All right, moment of truth. We're gonna check out the coffee bags here. Look at that, they look nice, but they got Guatemala, Africa, more of Honduras, and Little Brothers Espresso there. So no Nicaragua, unfortunately. We are waiting for our coffee right now. What you order?
I got the Guatemalan geisha coffee, so
Oh, that sounds amazing. Geisha is a very delicate variety, super exotic and really good, but no Nicaraguan coffee again.
no, but this manager of the place did say he's only seen it once or twice in the year and a half they've been open, so it could have existed. I could have been right.
It could have, but it's not here.
It's not here, guys.
That's what sucks.
Fail.
And we're highly caffeinated right now, so we just ordered the coffee and a pastry.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat this, and then I think we're gonna have to get some food at some point, huh? Because it's been a long day drinking coffee. Yeah.
And some walking. Yeah, we've been going uphill, so I'm definitely excited to get some good food.
Yeah, we've been walking a lot, so we're gonna wait for our coffee here. But definitely good shop, St. Frank Coffee Shop. Recommend it. Come check it out. They have some good Ethiopian coffees, African and Guatemalan coffees. So we have the geisha here from Guatemala. Ooh, amazing. Really delicate, almost like tea. And that's what geisha is about. It's like this delicate tea-like flavor. Like sometimes in Panama, a cup of coffee for this will go over $100. So this can get very expensive, but here it's worth a try. Really good coffee shop and really good people too. Courtney, I wanna understand your review here of this coffee. Go ahead.
Right. Well, we y'all know I'm a crucial reviewer, so.
If it gets the approval from Courtney, it's a good coffee.
Wow, it's really delicious.
Would you say it's better than the coffee movement or no?
It doesn't beat the Colombian coffee, no.
Yeah, but still good coffee, right?
It's still good, but there's something special about that Colombian coffee that's just gonna stay with me today.
This is what they don't tell you about San Francisco. Look how hilly this is. If I let go of Elliot, he's gonna end up back in Nicaragua. This is a pretty steep hill down here. Let's go to the next shop, baby. All right, guys, this is our fourth coffee shop here. Motoring Cafe, Motoring Coffee. It looks nice, actually. So we're gonna go peep inside and see if Dear Nicaragua's in there. So Motoring Coffee, I wasn't quite sure to expect, but once I walked in, I completely got the theme. Super cool theme here, incorporated into a coffee shop. Never been to a coffee shop like this. All right, we got a straight black coffee here. I want you to try it.
Oh my goodness. Okay, let's give it a go.
So I'm gonna take it. It's okay, bad.
It's not the worst drip coffee. I actually think it's delicious. It has a little caramely flavor to it.
But it falls at the bottom of the list.
For sure.
Oh man,
I think
honestly.
this is like an Instagram hub. But
Yeah, Instagram hub, because the environment here is really cool. Actually, they have all kinds of classic vehicles. Plus, they have this VIP area right here where you can come and hang out next to a porch, next to an old Chevrolet. And look at this limousine right here. But you need to be a member in order to get into there. But that seems worth it to me because it's such a quiet place to come work. And then they have these cool old school vehicles right here where you can come drink your coffee and just relax and stuff like that. So overall, super cool shop. Would you recommend people coming here?
if you want to relax with your friends and be warm in the city, this is a good spot. Or if you need a meeting space, this is awesome. But yeah.
All right, perfect.
I think it's awesome.
Yeah, for the environment, I think it's worth it.
I have a question for you, Elton.
What?
Do they have Nicaraguan
No Nicaraguan coffee again. So
Imagine if I reacted to this Nicaraguan.
do you think you can handle another cup of coffee?
No, dude, I'm so tapped out right now. Like I think I'm shaking with my head, like
Yeah,
exploding.
yeah, we've drank way too much coffee. So Courtney and I are really surprised right now at how many shops don't have Nicaraguan coffee.
Yeah.
This
At least
is-
shops that we don't know.
So this video here is a part 2 video because I did part 1 by myself last week and I went to 4 other shops and I couldn't find Nicaraguan coffee. So we're on our 4th shop in this part 2, so that's 8 coffee shops and no Nicaraguan coffee.
I mean, it's insane. I don't even think Starbucks or Pete's or Phil's has Nicaraguan coffee.
We
so-
need your guys' help. We need to put Nicaragua on the map here. Ask for Nicaraguan coffee when you go to your coffee shop to increase demand here. Because, you know, people in Nicaragua produce beautiful coffee and it is a diamond in the rough that we need to make it shine. So right now we're going to go find a place to eat. We want to take you guys to our favorite pizza spot here in San Francisco. It is a secret. You guys are going to love it. And if you ever come to the city, you're going to know where to go. So where are we right now, Courtney?
I'm excited to tell everyone we are in North Beach District right now at Tony's Pizza. They were rated top 50 in the world. I will tell you, outside of Italy, this has been the best pizza I've had thus far. But of course, there's one place in Italy that does beat this.
So what you get?
We ordered the New Yorker, a side of cheesy garlic bread for Elliot, and of course 3 sides of ranches because can't beat that.
Perfect. And where are we going to eat this pizza though? Not at the restaurant?
No, so since we have Elliot, we had to order through the Slice House, and we're gonna go to Washington Park and try and find a little spot so we can enjoy our food. $3.58.
Oh, she has a big one.
$3.58.
Thank you. So what park is this?
Washington Park.
Washington Park. Wow, it's beautiful.
Yeah, we forgot our picnic blanket. Shame on us. So we'll hopefully find a bench that's open. But if not, maybe the grass is dry.
So here it is, guys, in all its glory. Check that out. That looks delicious. Look how thin that crust is. We're a fan of thin crust. Comment below, what do you like, thick crust or thin crust? What do you think, Papi? You approve this pizza?
Let me get in that, Papa.
He's like, whoa, damn. Courtney prepping her pizza. She needs to add crushed pepper and also serrano peppers there. You like it spicy, huh?
I'm
Show it to the
so
camera.
excited. Look at this delicious pizza. I can't wait to have a bite. It's been so long. Oh my gosh, I need a fork and knife, you guys.
Well,
Forgot that part.
Delicious, right?
Hits the spot.
So living in Nicaragua, we only been eating gallo pinto pretty much, which is rice and beans. That's what we love to do. That's what we love to eat. It's like our staple. So coming out here to San Francisco and getting good pizza, it's a nice treat. We absolutely love it. But when we're back in Nicaragua, it's back to the rice and beans, which is our daily grinder. Comment below, what do you usually eat on a daily basis? So right now we're gonna dig into the garlic bread here. Courtney, I want you to be the judge of this garlic bread.
All right.
You tell me what it tastes like.
Ooh, that's hella good.
It's good? Nice and fresh, right?
Look at that baguette right there. That's
Delicious, delicious. It looks like Elia's digging in himself too. He's like, don't mind if I do, baby.
He's like, he's gonna eat that whole piece of garlic?
Yeah. Well, we're done with our pizza. It was delicious. But unfortunately, we couldn't find Nicaraguan coffee.
Nope. Such a shame. I guess that means we're gonna have to make you a part 3.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go part 3. And if we do another 4 coffee shops, that's 12 coffee shops already. If you know any coffee shops that have Nicaraguan coffee here in the city, comment below. Just remember, it can't be a big corporate chain. It has to be a small specialty coffee shop. But thank you guys for watching. And yeah, enjoy yourself some nice coffee. And when you do, make sure you ask for Nicaragua. We'll see you guys on the next video. It is your
Bye.
coffee familia.